Let us now talk about creating subscription plans in GoHighLevel. Welcome to this guide on setting up subscription plans in GoHighLevel. We'll walk you through the process of creating a membership pricing structure for your online course or services. This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to use GoHighLevel payment features to set up recurring subscriptions that works best for your business model. You start with accessing the payments tab. You open GoHighLevel dashboard, log into the GoHighLevel account and navigate to the main dashboard. You locate the payments tab in the GoHighLevel dashboard menu. Click on the payments tab to access the payment management section. You find create a new product. You click on creating a new product and you enter the product details. Now, once you have given the product details, you set up the pricing, you set up the payment type, whether it's a subscription for recurring payments or a one-time payment. Then you can set up monthly, quarterly, yearly, or any custom pricing that you want. You enter the price, you select the billing frequency, and you set the currency. You enable automatic renewals. You enable auto renewal, set up renewal frequency, and review the settings. Once all of that is done, you review all the details, make the adjustments where needed, and save the subscription plan. Once that is done, you would be linking the product, you would test the subscription and promote your offer, and also prepare the support options for users if they need any kind of support in managing their subscriptions or reaching out to you if they are facing any difficulty. So for this, let us now go to our GoHighLevel dashboard that looks something like this, and that's here. And we go to the payments tab here. That is the payment tab. I'll move my face somewhere here. And within the payment tab, you'll find the options products like we discussed. Inside products, you get the option to create a product. You create the product. Now you enter the name, so test subscription product could be the name that you give. You add a small description. You add a video maybe that tells about your product or service or course that you are selling. You enable a product label, so it could be a sale, it could be a featured, and the visibility duration of that particular label. Assign a product collection, so if you are selling multiple products divided in different groups, you can create a product collection and add them to the respective product collection. Tax category, you can choose one of these as per global settings. Okay, now comes the prices. Now within prices, you will find options like one time and recurring. That's where you set up your subscription product. So when you click on recurring, you get the option to put in the amount, let's say $9, and then you get the option to select the currency. So any of the currency that you want to sell the product in. You add a compared price, so let's make it $15, and the billing period. The billing period could be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. So custom is if you want a quarterly billing or something of that sort. So let's keep it at monthly billing. If you want to offer a trial period, so 7 days free trial, 30 days free trial, and so on, you can add the number of days, and then you can add a number of payments. So for how long is the subscription going to be active? So if you are selecting, let's say yearly, and you say the number of payments is 1, that means it would only be charging once. If you say the number of payments is 2, that means it would be renewing the subscription. So it's about the subscription renewal. How many times do you want somebody to be able to renew his subscription? Now you can also charge the setup fees if you want to charge any upfront setup fees, and you are done. So once all of this is done, set up and ready, you are ready to collect payment. So your product is ready. Now once you have this product, let us save this. Did I add everything that was supposed to be added? So let's say a weekly payment. Number of payments could be 10 weeks. Setup fees is 0, and I save it. It looks like I have missed. So I disable the product label and I click on save. Now I have saved the product information and your product is created. The subscription product is created. Next step would be to assign this product to the landing page or to the order form, and you will be ready to collect payments. Let us look at this in the next session.